Good evening guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the light visualization tool. When you're planning a project in the DIALux and placing the lights as per your design, you don't always have to run the calculation to see the light effect. If you just want to verify light positioning is correct, properly placed and rotated it, you can directly check the light effect in the light visualization. For that, you have to go to the display options. Here is the light visualization tool. If you click this tool and just select your light, you can see the light effect. This symbol, this is a light visualization symbol indicating that you have switched on the light visualization. Now if I just zoom out, I can see the light visualizations for the LED strips I have placed here. If I want to check the light visualization of this only one light, you can go to the display options again. See number of luminaires with light visualization, you reduce it to 1. If you reduce it to 1, you will be able to see the light effect of only the selected light. Okay, now escape. If I want to see the light effect of this one, I will just click this one. Okay, tool is selected. When I just click, it is showing me the light visualization. Okay, now from here I have selected only one light. Okay, if you increase the number of lights, see the light which is close to this one by one, the light visualization will be visible. You have an option to switch the light visualization for up to 50 luminaires. Not just this one. By keeping this on, you can even change the white balance to check the light effect of different color effects. Now this is more warm white. You can change it to more cool white as well, just to see the light effect. Even you can adjust the brightness levels. Okay, you see the difference? Yeah. So this way light visualizations helps us not just seeing the light effect, but with the help of this tool, if this light effect is not proper, you can even move your luminaires and check if it is properly placed. Okay, if you need to rotate it, you can even rotate and check the angle of your luminaires properly. It is super helpful tool. Same way, ULD files have this option of tilting and moving the lights. Rotatable and tiltable options will be available only for ULD files, the light files which have this symbol. Okay, now these were individual luminaires. Okay, I have placed some downlights here and some spotlight here. This 2 spotlights in here and these 2 downlights here. If I need to see the light visualization of any light which is in such arrangement, okay, it can be a line arrangement, it can even be rectangle arrangement. So if in any type of specific arrangement you want to see the light effect, select again, then you will be able to see the light effect. You can reduce the number of luminaires. Now you can see the light effect of this one luminaire. Okay, if you want to see the light effect of these 2 luminaires, make it 2. You can manually make it 2 here. Yeah, now same way too, this is in line arrangement. If you click again, you will be able to see the light effect like this. Okay, same applies even for the rectangle arrangement or automatic arrangement. Let me show you that too. So for now I will just delete this slides. I will do rectangle arrangement for spaces. This is only for explaining. Okay, it's not as per the design. I'm just explaining you how this tool works. Okay, now I have placed 4 lights. If you want to see the light visualization of this one, select again, you will be able to see the light effect. Okay, so this is how, without even running the calculations, you can check your light effects using this light visualization tool in the DIALux. It is super helpful tool. It saves you time and helps you design better. I'm sure that this tool is going to be super helpful in your designs. So this is it guys in this video. If you found this video helpful, please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more in DIALux with me. Thank you.